What's up? It's Patrick from Magnetic Nerds, and today I'm going to jump back on a nostalgia train to do a prop from one of my favorite cartoon shows growing up. It's the Ooze Canister from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2. For those of you playing along at home, here is a material list of everything that I used to make this prop. Going into this project, I knew I only needed the two end caps, so I combed through an old standby Thingiverse for STLs. I came across Bad Wolf Props. His end caps are pretty darn close to the prop you saw on screen, so I sliced them up and sent them to Prusa for printing. When the printer finished, I pulled the two pieces off the print bed and got to work sanding and priming. This was a pretty simple print, so the finishing process was really straightforward and easy. All you needed was a little bit of sandpaper and some files, and the end caps were good to go. Painting was also a very simple and quick step in this build. A coat of gloss black went on before I used dark steel Rust-Oleum rattle can, and once that cured, I really wasn't totally happy with the color, so I used some Tamiya chrome silver, and that gave me the finish I was really looking for. Bad Wolf Props made these two end caps to fit over a Voss water bottle, but I wanted to do something a little different. I found an acrylic tube that fit the dimensions perfectly off Amazon. All I had to do was take a little epoxy, put it on the bottoms of each end cap, stick the tube together, and voila! Before I could put the second end cap on, I had to fill this thing with ooze, right? What would be the point of making the ooze canister if there wasn't a green glowing liquid inside of it? To create that green glowy liquid, I used shampoo. I found a nice green shampoo at the dollar store, and I had some glow-in-the-dark pigments, which got mixed into it, and on top of it, it smells really nice too. One thing to note about the glow-in-the-dark powder: it's not going to mix into and dissolve completely in the shampoo. The shampoo is pretty basic, it's not acidic. So if you're hoping that it's going to emulsify, if you're trying to do this by yourself at home, it's not. The powder is going to just sit there, and eventually it's just going to sink to one side. So you make sure you move it around and remix it up so it maintains a suspension to get that glowing green radioactive goo look. Once my canister was full of a glowing green goo, the second end cap was put on top of that. So I reached back for some more epoxy, put that on the bottom of the cap, stuck that on the top of the tube, and once it was cured, my canister was now complete. last little detail to complete this prop was the logo you see on the side. I got the file for the text from Daniel Lupin. Katura sized up the logo and then sent her Cricut cutter to work and cutting it out on a sheet of vinyl. I then took that text, stuck it onto a rectangle of silver vinyl, and that got stuck onto the side of the canister. Now let's have a look at the final sexy result. Well, congratulations, you have now made it to the end of the video. See me stumble through and exit because I have no idea how to close out a video. That said, I'll see you guys next time. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Patchwork from... Oh no.
You've had a good run.
Had a good run.
Oh no.
I can't say this name either. Katora, we gotta change the name!